This is a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.